Welcome to this video exploring the digital evolution of Amazon. We will examine how a single company transformed itself through 4 distinct stages, from a simple e-commerce bookstore to a sophisticated smart business, redefining digital maturity along the way. Consider the shift from 1995, when the question was simply, "Can I buy this online?" to 2026, where the question becomes, "Who decides what I should buy?" This isn't just about channels. It's a story of how digital transformation fundamentally changes decision rights. Our core thesis is that Amazon's success stems from changing what was digitized. We identify 4 levels: transaction, processes, business model, and intelligence. The key is understanding where technology sits within the business architecture. This 4-level maturity ladder helps us move beyond simple sales metrics. The true test for any firm is whether it can use its digital capability to create, deliver, and capture value in a way that competitors find difficult to replicate. Level 1 is e-commerce, digitizing the transaction. In the late 90s, Amazon's primary innovation was using the internet as a medium for customers to search, order, and pay, fundamentally solving the problem of needing to visit a physical store. Level 2 is e-business, digitizing the operating system. Amazon moved beyond selling to integrate logistics, moving them from a cost center to a core component of the customer value proposition. This scale and efficiency drove the marketplace model. Level 3, digital business, sees internal capabilities become businesses. Amazon identified infrastructure needs, like computing or fulfillment, and commercialized them as AWS, advertising, and Prime. They built their business model around these digital capabilities. This approach diversified Amazon's value capture. A traditional retailer relies on product margins, but a digital business captures value from multiple layers. They evolved from selling products to platform and ecosystem revenue models. Level 4 is smart business, where intelligence becomes the operating logic. It uses data and AI to continuously predict, decide, and learn. Human governance remains vital for setting the objectives, constraints, and accountability for these systems. Agentic commerce marks a shift in the buyer's journey. Instead of humans deciding and technology executing, humans now set constraints while AI agents perform comparisons and execute transactions. The decision-making locus has shifted. In summary, don't view Amazon as just a big online shop. View it as a system that continually pushes technology deeper into the heart of value creation and autonomous decision-making. You can use this diagnostic framework to analyze any business. Check where their technology sits, whether it is in transactions, operational integration, value capture, or automated intelligence. Finally, consider this deep thinking question. If AI agents choose products and platforms control visibility, who is the real customer? Define the roles of the buyer, the agent, the seller, and the platform in this evolving ecosystem.